Coimbatore, more popularly addressed as the Manchester of Tamil Nadu, is an abode for peaceful living amidst the green, lush landscapes and surrounded mystic mountains. An ideal entity to enjoy the serenity of a peaceful, lovable and tranquil life as one would always have dreamt after retirement. We at SRB Dwellings Company believe on constructing a new hope beyond trust with love and care through our innovative project Nandanam, specifically designed for the honorable senior citizens community. While seeing is believing, Nandanam takes you through a brief of its location, features, amenities, landmarks that describes its vicinity. Nandanam is a 3-acre project perfectly positioned to cater to the needs of honorable senior citizens community while perfecting itself as a 100% vegetarian community. Nandanam locates itself in a green and clean landscape amidst vast space, windy atmosphere and pollution-free environment. 2 kilometers away from L&T National Highway bypass that connects Coimbatore directly to Palakkad in Kerala state. Nandanam stands gracefully at a distance of 7 kilometers from Kodanur Junction and 13 kilometers from Coimbatore railway station. For easy access to transportation, Nandanam is just about 12 kilometers from Singanallur bus stand, 15 kilometers from Gandhipuram bus stand and 7 kilometers from Ukkadam bus stand and 2 kilometers from Vellalur bus stand. Coimbatore International Airport is just at a stride of 18 kilometers through the bypass highway, which can be reached in about 20 minutes from Nandanam. The surrounding neighborhood within a radius of 4 kilometers consists of Coimbatore Golf Club, Lotus Temple and Curry Motor Club, gives way an attribute towards for recreation. Educational institutions are hived around Nandanam, where Avatar Public School is at a distance of 3 kilometers, GD Public School at 4 kilometers, Shakti Matriculation at 3 kilometers, Lakshmi Narayan College in 3 kilometers and Karpagam Group of Institutions. Nandanam considers care towards medical support to all its honorable citizens by having tie-ups within world-class hospitals including KMCH in its vicinity of 14 kilometers through the highway, Abhirami Hospital in 8 kilometers, Govindasamy Hospital in 8 kilometers, NG Hospital in 10 kilometers. The aspect of spirituality has always been a concern for Nandanam and hence has a few of the most famous temples such as Ichanari Ganapati Temple about 6 kilometers, Lotus Temple and Vellalur Venkatachalapati Temple at 3 kilometers can be frequented often. Nandanam within itself is a 100% vegetarian served community specifically designed to the needs of the honorable senior citizens. Nandanam is bounded by compound wall barbed on top, well-designed and adorable gate with arch, security cabin monitoring the entire township on CCTVs, thus maintaining security within the premises. In order to maintain the environment at high greenery levels, an interior park, roadside fruit and medicinal trees and landscaping has been created within and outside the premises. Nandanam in its house interiors features stainless steel ramp at entrance of every villa, 5 feet wide front doors and 4 feet bathroom for easy access of stretchers and wheelchairs for easy mobility anywhere inside the house. The room interiors have lighted false ceiling designs in the hall and master bedroom with a mini modular kitchen. The puja room has been enhanced with designer doors with rack simple interiors. Attractive lofts and wardrobes along with dressing tables are also fitted in the bedrooms, while all bathrooms are provided with anti-skid tiles, branded bath fittings with soft usage commodes and tabletop wash basins attaching a full-size mirror. The pressure booster pumps installed beneath the main water supply will ensure that the pressure of the outflow of water will be twice that of normal pumps, which will ensure clear usages in all bathrooms. The diverter bath fitting for both hot and cold water supply, a sitting platform within the bathroom for easy sitting comfort during bath adds an extra orientation to the facilities provided. In order to ensure prevention of mosquitoes, doors and windows are net screened with magnetic latches. Each house has been amplified with a small, exquisite designer lawns apt to the veranda space, add with flowering potteries, terrace gardening and provisions for small-scale organic vegetable gardening. Nandanam has every house providing a 6-feet wooden plank swing at the outside veranda to enjoy the natural ambience of evenings with a cultural auspicious Tulsi Madam in the front of the main road. An amenity block of 8,000 square feet adhere the ground floor and the first floor, dedicated for the purpose of a common dining hall accommodated with full-style flexibility timed kitchen catering to the taste of food cooked by Palakkad Brahmins in tune with the diet required to be consumed by senior citizens. A regularized menu has also been addressed by Nandanam in view of the individual's health conditions. Nandanam also has infrastructured an ATM and a mini departmental store for basic needs of the colony, along with a maintenance office in the ground floor of the amenity block. The second floor of the block would shelter the community hall with a stage, audience arena and 2 changing rooms in which Nandanam, with a view to care for its citizens, have programmed regular cultural activities, religious satsang and tours, pilgrimages, yoga programs, talent recognition, festival celebration, Veda chanting, motivational programs and scintillating bhajans as an attempt in rejuvenation of the elderly community. The library, miniature geriatric gym and a beauty parlour has also been partitioned within the second floor for the leisurely necessity of the citizens of Nandanam for recreation, physical fitness and shape-ups. Further down near the amenity block, Nandanam has laid out 1 BHK and 2 BHK apartment blocks, an overhead water tank with a storage of 60,000 litres for provision of water to each house via pressurized pumping treated water from RO systems and a desalting machine supplying pure water. A small Krishna temple is being erected just near to the overhead tank for the grace of all the citizens within Nandanam. We have also started a Goshala there. We at Nandanam believe that a green living is the key to healthy living, which has conceived the idea of well-designed parks, landscaping house lawns and utility trees implantation completely besides the connecting roads inside the premises to give an enlightened focus of a pollution-free environment. Adding to its serenity, Nandanam has an open-air amphitheatre specifically built in the garden premises to relish the experienced memories under the starlit sky. Understanding the importance of agility for the elderly fraternity, Nandanam introduces a unique horde of activities such as hobby development to generate a meager income by working in-house small-scale activities like pickles, papad, spices and handicraft manufacturing for the residing citizens within the premises. Nandanam intends to use these outputs for own food consumption while excess is planned to be sold in the market. Security plays a very important role in Nandanam. It comes with installation of closed circuit television for monitoring whereabouts by keeping a vigil on the activities within. Round-the-clock manual security for 24 hours. Introduction for Wi-Fi facility through dedicated leased line for everyone is an additional feature that Nandanam provides to its family. The power backups of silent generators and electricity board line will contribute to 24/7 provision of electricity. Sewage treatment plant in Nandanam will take care of disposal wastewater management plumbed via underground piping from each house. Nandanam ensures display of ample lights as required along with street lights fixed through underground cabling within the premises to make it comfortable for the citizens for free walks, especially at nights. Nandanam considers medical care as the most highlighting feature, for which a hospital room with a senior nurse and doctor providing 24/7 service for first aids and an ambulance stationed always within the premises for any emergencies. It always makes Nandanam happy to justify its services directly conversed by existing citizens, one of the respected being Mr. Ravi Raghavan and family from Bangalore, whose personal dialogues about the project and its services can be heard from their own versions.
Home is a very nice place to live in for elders like us, and we look forward to the completion of the project. The surroundings are quite nice, and all the more a better, peaceful and happy living place. It's like it, and we hope to be there as soon as the project gets over. I wish the organizers Nandanam Homes all success in their endeavor.
It is very nice. பார்க்கறதுக்கு ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது, ரொம்ப என்ஜாயபுளாக இருந்தது. கிரகங்களெல்லாம் அழைச்சிட்டு போய் பிடிக்கணும்னு நினச்சிங்கன்னா அவள் ரொம்ப இதாக இருக்கா, ரொம்ப நல்ல மாதிரியே இருக்கா. எங்களுக்கு ரொம்ப பிடிச்சது அந்த இடம். அது மாத்திரமல்ல, ஓல்டு வயசானவருக்கு ரொம்ப சாண்டமாக ரொம்ப கார்டனிங் கிடனிங் எல்லாம் ரொம்ப நல்லா இருந்தது.
We are very happy to be part of the Nandanam family, and we are awaiting the position of the villa which we have booked. Recently we had been there, and ரொம்பவே beautiful இருக்கு. Not only the place but even the engineer Ravi, he explained to us so nicely, and it seems to be a very thoughtful project where a lot of efforts have gone in, and we wish Nandanam Homes all success, and I hope we have a wonderful family to live together in the coming future.
Yeah, I'm Jyoti, and I'm equally looking forward for the project to get completed, because they have specifically not given this project just for senior homes. They have made it with a lot of modern amenities and a lot of club features, which makes it more interesting for our generation. So I am equally excited, and good luck to be part of Nandanam family. Bye.
Nandanam prides on appreciation of its services, which is substantiated by another of our prestigious Nandanamite, Mr. Subramanian from Delhi, who desires to express his views about the project.
I am Subramanian. I am at present staying at Gurugram, formerly known as Gurgaon in Haryana. Me and my wife, we wanted to settle down in a all year round comfortable weather city, and after checking out various cities, we zeroed in on to Coimbatore. I had an opportunity to visit Coimbatore last year, and I went around various available retirement homes, and finally found Nandanam to be most suitable for us as it is very close to airport and railway station. Moreover, the promoters of Nandanam are very approachable and comfortable to talk to and ready to take any suggestions and corrections. After booking, I met couple of other senior citizens who are already booked there, and I could gel with them very well. And I am sure we all will have a comfortable Agraharam type of living in Coimbatore at Nandanam.
We welcome you to have a look of our Nandanam 2 BHK model villa. Nandanam is designed to appreciable comforts in its projected layouts of villas. Prices starting from rupees 31 lakhs all inclusive and apartment prices starting from rupees 38 lakhs. It also presents affordable and attractive lease schemes. Nandanam aspires to share the progress of shaping up the upcoming construction stages of the project, which is being directly viewed as 40% completed, thus providing a proof of its existence and growth till date. Nandanam understands its commitment, respecting the senior citizens' honor by delivery on time, one of them being our prestigious customer, Mrs. and Mr. Ramakrishnan from Mumbai, who are our proud Nandanamites, having taken possession of their villa, customized to their taste by the company CEO, Mrs. Rajashri Iyer. We have a very experienced team of professionals with more than 20 years of experience in the fields of architecture, sales and marketing, administration and operations. Nandanam is a prestigious, adorable, dignified project of a woman entrepreneur, Mrs. Rajashri's dream, designed, nurtured and shaped by her as CEO with a dedicated team exclusively to impart a loving care for the honorable senior citizens living. For the feasibility of easy approach and commercialized ambience, Nandanam is headquartered in the heart of Coimbatore city, located at the very popular 129 TV Sami Road, Araspuram, Coimbatore, known by almost every Coimbatorian. Modern technologies for easy communication has been made available by Nandanam when addressed on their contact numbers 98199 52973 or 98945 62252 while viewing website www.srinandanam.in under the banner of company SRB Retirement Dwellings Company. Enquiries, advices, bookings and customer requirements can be mailed to info@srinandanam.in. The necessity of remembering our departed ancestors is a part of our culture, which Nandanam has also considered the aspect of amenity to provide a Shraddham room exclusively for performance of karmic activity and last ritual rites of ancestors' departed soul of the honorable citizens abiding in the premises. Nandanam, on behalf of Mrs. Rajashri and her team, welcomes all the respected elders to being a Nandanamite family to experience a life of peace and tranquility.
Welcome to all our Nandanam family.